Let us discuss about uh, the academic year plan given by our state Telangana. Okay, children, and this is the how the uh, government said to follow these instructions. Okay, here what I want to say you is, suppose just I want to give you the how to learn the subject. Okay, here example, what is the name of the lesson here we have taken? Nutritious food. And what is the concept and topic here? Varieties of food items and energy giving foods. Okay, children. So this is only the example how we have to analyze our lesson. Okay, children. So what I'm going to say is how each lesson we are going to get the worksheets. Just I thought to discuss with you people. So example have taken the nutritious food because as it is important for us also. Okay, and what is the concept of this lesson? What is the variety of the foods and also the energy giving foods? Now here what is the key concepts here? Energy giving food items, carbohydrates and proteins. Okay, what concepts given here, my dear? Here are the learning outcomes. What are the learners? So here, after a completion of the lesson, we have to explain the variety of food items in the food we eat every day. Okay, and the reasons why the food habits of all people are not similar. We talk no why the people use the different types of food and why it is not similar to one person to other person. And can we write examples which food items will give energy? Are we able to write? Okay, you have to analyze it. And you have to ask questions to know food materials that are rich in carbohydrates. What will give the carbohydrates, which is rich in carbohydrates? Okay, and fifth point, identify the food items like butter, ghee, oil, etc. Fat items will give energy to the body. How they are going to give you the energy? That also you are going to learn. Here, concept presentation example here is a small paragraph. How the concept presentation? We should eat the food which help us to grow, gives energy and health, and which helps develop immunity against diseases. The components which give energy are called carbohydrates or starch. Millets contain more of starch. Okay, children, we should eat the food which help us to grow, gives energy and health, and which helps develop immunity against diseases. The components which give energy are called carbohydrates or starch. Millets contains more of starch. So here is a small presentation, children. So here, after reading these three, uh, 4 sentences, write examples for energy giving food. So can you write the example for the energy giving food? Can you identify here? Come on, can you try? Can you try, children? Write the examples for the energy giving food. Yes. What are the energy giving food? Come on, tell me what are the which are rich in carbohydrates? Those are like millets. What are the millets? Like rice, grain, wheat, barley, bajra, these all sorghum. These all are the energy giving foods. That are the examples. Okay, children, this concept presentation you can write in the classwork, children. Okay, because it helps you a lot. If you are, why I'm teaching you this, because if you write this, no, it will be easy for you. You can analyze the lesson easily. Now, what is the second question? Raju's mother prepared vadas with bajra. That means sajjalu. In Telugu, we called as sajjalu. Raju wanted to know about bajra. What questions do you think he asked his mother? He wants to know about the bajra. Okay, bajra means what? How they will go? So number of questions will be raising. No, so you can write at least 3 to 4 questions here. Okay. Now next, third question: why should we preserve or protect all types of millets? Yes, children, why we should? Why should we preserve and protect all type of millets. I taught you in the lesson, no, there were number of in that blue color box. Previously, we used to have the number of vegetables and number of types of millets. Nowadays, we are not using it, and some of the millets have gone. But why we have to? Because every millet is having its own importance. Okay, that you can write. Here is a self-evaluation. Here is a self-evaluation, children. Which food item contains carbohydrates in the food which we eat daily? You are eating, no? Daily what you are eating? Example, rice you are eating. In rice, what is there? Protein is there or carbohydrate? Carbohydrate. Yes. And suppose you are taking potato. Today you are eating potato. In potato, what do you have? You have carbohydrates. You are taking wheat. Chapati you are taking. In chapati, what do you have? Find out. Okay, right, like that. Few examples which are eating daily. Why you are eating? Because carbohydrates are very, very important to our body, isn't it? It is in the form of different. Why some says don't eat rice too much, some says eat wheat, some says eat millets like bajra, ragi, these all. Why? Because why? The starch content, it depends upon the starch content. Starch content will be more in some millets and starch content will be less in some millets. So you have to select the correct millet for your body, okay, which you need. Can you see, observe the given pictures, what types of food products are prepared with them? Yes, vadlu. First one, vadlu means paddy, children. Here is paddy. With what we can make? Tell me. In that godumalu means wheat. Godumalu means in Telugu we'll call it as godumalu and English we call it as wheat. With wheat, what items you can prepare? After you get a what we'll say, uh, you'll go to the flour mill, no? After that, you get a flour. What you will do with that? And see the third picture, మొక్కజొన్నలు, maize. Okay, that is a maize. With that maize, what you will do? Okay, food items which you use. Here the table is given. Okay, children. Food with paddy, food with type of food you will get rice. With rice, what all you can prepare, you can write. Food with wheat. Wheat means with roti. With roti, what you all you can prepare, that you can write. Maize. With maize, what all you can prepare, that you can write. Okay, good. Now, meet any three friends. What is the third question? Meet any three friends on which day, what food they eat, ask and write. Okay, meet any three friends on which day, what food item they eat, ask and write. So write a friend name. Monday what he will eat, Tuesday what he'll eat, Wednesday what he'll eat, Thursday what he'll eat, Friday what he'll eat. Okay, you can write like this. And you write what are rich in that, whether it is rich in carbohydrates, rich in fat or uh, minerals. Okay, now see the next question. Who is eating energy get us? Now after you are collecting five friends information, no children, after writing the collecting the information, you see that who is eating energy giving food items. Okay, now what is the second question? What type of food items are there in the food eaten by your friends? So mostly what is common in them? Suppose five friends are there, no children. Every day what they are eating, that will be a common. Write that common point and write that, analyze that, why they are eating that and what they are getting from it. Okay, why they are eating them regularly and from that what they are gaining. Okay, are they gaining carbohydrates? Are they gaining proteins? What they are minerals, fats, or whatever all they are growing, that you have to analyze. Okay, children. Now, next going to the next page. Let's see this work. Growth food that keeps us healthy. Okay. Now, what are the key concepts here? See, the first point is the growth. What is the next point? The next point is the health. And third point is the cereals. And the fourth is the mineral salts. And fifth is the vitamins. Okay. How we have to get the learning outcomes from here? Learner will explain by eating Bengal gram, green gram, etc. Pulses, meat, eggs helps in our physical growth. That we already learned. Okay, these are the important points, children. Give examples of food products which are rich in proteins. Okay, we'll explain the vitamins help in using carbohydrates, proteins of our body. We'll know the minerals are also essential along with the carbohydrates and proteins. Know the vitamins, mineral salts, carbohydrates, proteins are essential for the health. These are important from this topic. Okay. Now that is a second level concept. Understood now? First level we have learned about the energy giving food, and the second level we are learning about this. Okay. Children, this is nothing but how to analyze your lesson and how to learn the concept. Okay, now here is again a small presentation, concept presentation. When compared to carbohydrates and proteins, vitamins and minerals are needed in a very small quantity for our body. They are essential for our body. We fall sick if they are not taken enough in our food. They give us resistance to fight against the diseases. Proteins are nutrients that help to give a new cells to our body, heal wounds. Okay, proteins are found in pulses also and contain starch, vitamins, and mineral salts in minute quantities. In foods like fish, eggs, meat, and milk, abundant proteins are available. So, what the body needs more, whether it needs carbohydrates more, or whether it needs proteins more, or whether it needs mineral salts more, or whether it needs fats more. So, here in which substance, what are more? Okay, children. Now, let's see when we compare to the carbohydrates and proteins, vitamins and minerals are needed to a very small quantity for body, then what is needed more? All are essential only, no? So, which are needed more? We can learn from this presentation. Now, you can write the question here after reading that passage. Write two examples for each of the foods that give us health and help in the growth of the body that you can write easily. Yes or no? I already explained you. You can do it, children. Okay. Now, what is the difference between the carbohydrates and the proteins? Yes, what the carbohydrates gives us and what the proteins gives us, that you have to analyze according to you. I already have given the lesson question and answers, isn't it, children? Through the question and answers, you can write the different points. Okay, this is so easy for you, I think. Okay, even the first question is also very easy. You can do it. Now go to the third question. Ask five of your friends about the food they eat, what nutrients it contains. Put a tick mark below. Okay, so easy, children. This also you can go and ask your friends. Only the five friends. Already have taken five friends, no? So food taken, proteins, nutritive substances received. Okay, so the food items, what they have eaten, in that whether they have the proteins, whether they have the carbohydrates, whether they have the fats, and whether they have the vitamins. This, this is very, very important. Okay, draw the diagram of the food items from which we get carbohydrates and way we analyze the lesson. Okay, which food items help in the body growth? That also you can write. Which type of food do you eat mostly? Okay, which food items help in our body growth? Which body growth means surely egg, fish, meat. Okay, protein food is important. Which type of food do you eat mostly? Mostly, but what you eat? Carbohydrate food, isn't it? Why we eat? Because it gives us energy, isn't it? We need the energy. Now, see the match the following: in blood, in teeth, fruits and vegetables, pulses. In blood, in teeth, fruits and vegetables, pulses. Vitamins, mineral salts, iron, calcium, phosphorus, protein. So in blood, what is there? Blood needs what? In teeth. What the teeth needs? Calcium and phosphorus. Fruits and vegetables, what they need? What they need, fruits and vegetables? Vitamins and minerals. Pulses, proteins. Okay, children? Now understood? Observe the pictures, differentiate and write in given table the food substance which helps in the growth and health. Milk. Tell me, growth and health. Okay. Pomegranate, banana, egg, growth and health. Beans, papaya, Bengal gram, grapes, etc. This you can do it. Now understood, children, till here? So this is a way we can analyze. Okay. Now you write, children, it is already more, no? So I'll send you the class work that also complete. See, the next level I will teach you in the next class. Okay, my dears. Now I think you have understood. No need to draw the pictures. What are the questions given? What are the small matchings given that you can write in your classwork and write the analyzation of lesson 4 nutritious food. Keep the heading analyzation of nutritious food topic. Okay, children. Take care, children. Bye. See you. Hope you will do you more and more. Okay. Bye.